Hello, my friend. How are you? I'm so happy to see you again and discussing some important information about the trade of the yesterday, which is the 9th of July 2025. As you remember that the areas of support and resistance is this is the high of the week, this is the low of the week, this is the high this is the high of the previous day, this is the low of the previous day, and the market, the price sweep the low of the previous day. This is sweeping you as you can see, and also on H4, as you can see, there was an order block. This is an order block and also fair value gap in this area on H4. Uh, just remembering rapidly, and also this is a sweeping and making a rejection, three times rejection to this level after the sweeping of the low. This is first rejection, this is second rejection, this is the third rejection, that moving upward. And when we change it to um, 1 hour time frame. This is the engulfing. This is, as you can see, this is the this candle is engulfing the previous one. This candle is engulfing the previous one. This is a change in the state of delivery. This is called a change in the state of delivery. I will show you better on lower time frame. Before this, as you can see, this is a change in the state of delivery. As you can see, this is a change in the state of delivery on H1. On 30 minutes, there was also a fair value gap. This is a fair value gap. Even this candle is rejected, but this is a fair value gap. You can see it. This is a fair value gap on 30 minutes. Okay. This is a fair value gap on 30 minutes. This is the first thing. The second thing, on 15 minutes, as you can see, this is a change in the state of delivery that's happened, and the price return, retest two things. The first thing is the order block. This is an order block, and this is the inverted fair value gap. All these I didn't put it in my mind. These are very important. Inverted fair value gap. You see how the rejection happened. This is inverted fair value gap, and this is order block, and this is fair value gap. Three things which is very important in addition to the change in the state of delivery, and also in addition to the rejection that happened here three times. This is the first, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth one. Okay, all these are rejection, and the market moving upward and making change in the state of delivery and making also fair value gap. You can see this is a fair value gap on 30 minutes, and on 15 minutes there was an order block and inverted fair value gap with change in the state of delivery and then rejection. It is a very beautiful area to enter here in this area. It is very beautiful, and you can target this area first and then moving upward. So it is beautiful to see this setting, and it is very important. All these factors that happen here after the rejection, the market was sweeping of the previous day and happened this change in the state of delivery, fair value gap on 30 minutes, inverted fair value gap with order block coalesce together in the same area, that happen in this area and make this trade. You can see it how it is beautiful. This is an order block that the price retouch it again with inverted fair value gap, and on 30 minutes or on 3 minutes, sorry, how it appear like this, and also the market make sweeping of the triple, this triple low. double bottom, triple bottom. This is sweeping of triple bottom that that I put in my mind that this is a change in the market structure, but it is not a change. It is a sweeping of the inverted fair value gap, order block, and rejection occur with fair value gap on 30 minutes, a change in the state of delivery, and the market moving more and more for a bullish. You can see it very beautiful in this area. You can see it very beautiful in this area. How the rejection happened here and the market moving upwards. It's beautiful, really beautiful. And you should remember that from that video that I make it in yesterday. It is a complete. I want to explain this point to complete the video of yesterday. This is the first thing. The second thing that happened yesterday, and I make a money yesterday also, which is a very beautiful. That this in this area, I will show you how I make money. How I make money. I will show you. In this area, if you remember that the market here make a change turtle soup with inverted fair value gap and the market moving upward and take a profit. Then I make also another profit from yesterday, which is in this area. If you remember, sorry, I will explain to you. If you remember, uh, yesterday that at 9 o'clock on New York time, there was sorry, on 9 o'clock there was an FOMC meeting minutes, and they assure that the market and that the dollar will remain interest rate will remain the interest rate. So the gold moving upward more. It is about at the same time in this area. In this area, if you can see, if you can see that the market moving upward and then return when it is return to retest this area. Sorry, to retest this area, make a rejection from this fair value gap and also this support. Okay, area, and moving upward and make change in the state of delivery or making a market structure shift also. This is a market structure shift. Then return the price to this area. What we will see in this area, I will make this area like this to check it very well and what we are doing to make the money in this area. Sorry, sorry. Uh, okay, okay, we are here. We are here. On this area, we saw that the price returned to this turtle soup. To this turtle soup. Okay, when the price returned to this turtle soup and rapidly moving upward and make change inverted fair value gap. This is inverted fair value gap. This, as you can see, inverted value gap. When the price return to check it, I make a buy in this area. I make a buy and then price moving upward and then return. On lower time of frame, I will remove this to be uh, sorry. I will put this here and change the color. Okay, and the price moving upward and then return to this area, and also there is a inverted fair value gap in this area. Inverted fair value gap in this area. Okay, and also make a buy here also, and moving upward the price, and the price moving upward, and I about 15, and I go out of the markets. This is very beautiful, and I make it yesterday, you can see the inverted fair value gap, how it is very important in trading. You can see this inverted fair value gap, how it is important in trading. You can see it. This is fair value gap. This fair value gap moving down, sweeping the low, and then moving upward, making change in the state of delivery. You can see that very beautiful. You can see how the price move. You can see this is inverted fair value gap, the price moving to sweep this low, and then rapidly moving upward, also with fair value gap, and then change in the state of delivery and market structure, and then return to retest these inverted fair value gap and this fair value gap, and the market moving upward. It is very beautiful um, to trade these type of pattern. Also this area which is very beautiful, the buys that, as you know, is moving upward, the price is moving upward. This is a market structure shift, and the price return to this area, which is a turtle soup. As you can see, this is the breaker block. Okay, and this is a turtle soup. This is changing the state of delivery, retest and moving upward and make market structure shift. The price return to retest this area. When the price return, also make a inverted fair value gap and moving upward and make change in the state of delivery or market structure shift. This, so this is an order block. As you can see, this is an order block. This is an order block. Okay, this is an order block. This is inverted fair value gap. This is the breaker block. Sorry, this is the breaker block. This is inverted fair value gap. The price tend to retest it and then moving upward. In this area also, as you can see, this is the inverted fair value gap on 1 minute. This is inverted fair value gap on 1 minute. This is also inverted fair value gap on 1 minute. As you can see, the price moving, sweeping this low, sell side liquidity, and moving upward, making market structure shift. Then retest this area. This is a breaker block, and the price moving upward. Also violate this inverted in fair value gap and make it inverted fair value gap and moving upward, and it is very good to trade these areas. It is beautiful. It is beautiful to make it on lower time frame. As you remember, and yesterday we trade these areas very beautiful. As you can see, I will regain to repeat how I trade the lower time frame in a trending trend. Here on lower time frame, these are the price moving upward, making change in the state of delivery, and then return to retest this area. And on lower time frame, on 15 seconds, on lower time frame, the price here, this is fair value gap, and this is order block, which is nested order block. So this is an order block on our time frame. This is first thing. This is not enough to take the price from here buying. It's not enough. You should know the factors that coalesce together to make the trend. The first thing is the price is upward and the market moving upward and make change in the state of delivery or market structure shift, and also make a nested order block, move moving upward and then regain to retest this area and this order block. In this area of order block, you can see that there is multiple things that happen. The first thing is this inverted fair value gap. This is first. When this inverted fair value gap and the price moving upward make market structure shift again and then again and market structure shift and another test. In this area, you should enter here. That the good signs, good pattern to move upward, and the price will move upward. And also, I will again uh, this inverted fair value gap. You can see it, inverted fair value gap. and this inverted value coalesce with this fair value gap. You can see it. This is fair value gap. So inverted fair value gap, and this is order block. This is order block. You can see how the price make market structure shift, and again retest these area. You can see how beautiful it is retest. It is a buy signal. It is a buy signal and moving upward, very beautiful, and make a profit. You can see here, this is inverted fair value gap and sweeping the low. Sweeping this low because it is double bottom. Sorry, it is double bottom. Sweeping the low. It is double bottom. Okay, and then the price make inverted fair value gap. This is inverted fair value gap, sorry. And you can see the market make change in the state of delivery here, and then retest and then moving upward. Beautiful, very beautiful. These are opportunities to enter in the market. These are opportunities, very beautiful opportunities to enter the market. You can see here, you can see here, in addition to the Sony, in addition to these inverted fair value gap, in addition to these inverted fair value gap on 15 minutes that I explained it in the beginning of this video. Also, you can see on 1 minute and also lower than 1 minute. You can see how inverted fair value gap. How this is inverted fair value gap. This is inverted fair value gap, another inverted fair value gap. This inverted fair value gap, how push the price upward, how it pushes the price upward. Okay, this is an inverted fair value gap also. This is an inverted fair value gap also. It is all these are opportunities to enter the market. All these are opportunities and very beautiful opportunities to enter the market. This is inverted fair value gap, and you can see how make the price moving upward. It is beautiful, beautiful. Thank you very much, my friend. I'm so happy to explain these important information about the trading of yesterday. And this video is a complete video of the yesterday. Thank you very much, and bye bye.